Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, you will learn to make 3 different artworks. All you need is a colored pencil, watercolors, and some gouache paints. So let's begin. The first one is a mountain scenery sketch. The tip is to start from the middle, so this way you are able to clearly see your drawing. Also, today I want to dive into what it means to practice your art. Whether you're a Gen Z creator, a millennial vlogger, a digital artist, or a musician, mastering your craft is a journey. Challenging, yet rewarding. Let me start with a story that I think will resonate with many of you. Vincent van Gogh. Many of us know him for his iconic painting, Starry Night. But did you know that he created over 2,100 artworks in just a decade? It wasn't easy for him. He faced rejection and painted relentlessly, often producing a new piece every day. Social media highlights overnight successes, but the reality is that true mastery takes time, dedication, and a lot of practice. Think of practicing your art as building a relationship with your creativity. It requires consistent effort, patience, and a willingness to grow. Moving on to our next painting. Let's use 2 to 3 warm tone gouache paints. Sticking with the theme, as our first sketch is in rusty red color. All right, so make random shapes, and we will finish it with some flower drawing. The journey of perfecting your craft is both challenging and exhilarating. Let's dive into why practicing your art is essential and how some of the greatest artists navigated their paths, making it relatable and inspiring for us, Gen Z and millennials. Beyoncé is another phenomenal example. Known for her flawless performances and powerful voice, she spends countless hours rehearsing, perfecting every note and dance move. Her Coachella performance in 2018 was a 2-hour spectacle that took over 8 months of intense preparation. Okay, last one. I want to keep this one simple yet different. Here I am just adding different elements, but keeping it easy. Okay, so why I wanted to talk about practicing your art and how does it apply to us? We're living in an era where resources to learn and grow our artistic talents are more accessible than ever. Platforms like YouTube, Skillshare, and even TikTok offer tutorials and inspiration. But as these stories highlight, it's not just about having access to tools, it's about how we use them. And with that note, thank for watching, and I hope you like these series videos. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Bye. I will see you in the next one.